Your continued support of the Coin Series channel is much appreciated. I hope the Bitcoin market was relatively flat today. When it comes to breaking even, almost everything is down a few percent. With a price of 52,000 BTC, Ethereum dropped 1.6%. 27.96, you can rest assured that XRP will jump at the chance to see its price fall 2.7%. The value of my confidence and optimism coin dropped 5.6% on the day, reaching 56 cents. Today, Coinbase generously donated $3.6 million to the Bitcoin development community. Bitcoin developers are supported by the charity organization Brink. Users were given the assurance that their contributions would go towards developers working on open-source projects on the Bitcoin blockchain. The site also promised that their contributions would be completely anonymous. The fact that cryptocurrency investors are reinvesting their profits in the market is fantastic, in my opinion. To be honest, I've always assumed that this whole thing was just a farce and that Sam Bankman would get out with a lighter term, even though his released sentence might be shorter than you think. The recent surge in the cryptocurrency market has created an opportunity for Sam Bankman, who was found not guilty of fraud last year but is still awaiting sentencing next month, to repay FTX's creditors. Let me tell you something. Does holding only one Bitcoin on FTX constitute complete and utter ruin? I suppose you're receiving your one Bitcoin back? Do you have a better chance of getting a certain sum of money back? The second alternative is more appealing to me. In my opinion, nobody has been really helped by cryptocurrency. A significant increase occurred recently, the timing of the market spike was perfect, so even luck was on his side. He deserves no leniency, in my view. I don't think that's fair, especially considering how much Bitcoin has appreciated compared to the dollar and how much more money creditors are getting back. He should be fully credited for the fortunate turn of events that will result in such good recoveries. That is all. The reality that his actions are inherently unlawful is unaffected by this. The reality that he embezzled funds and invested them in a Ponzi scheme that caused losses for all participants. Taking everything into account, this individual is fully deserving of all the punishment he has received. In the 320th quarter, Uniswap will be releasing some major updates. Uniswap version 4, with its improved security features and potential to revolutionize DeFi, is set to be released in the third quarter of 2024. The detailed strategy for next year's SwapV protocol, which aims to set standards and enhance security to the decentralized exchanges environment, is being well developed by the Uniswap Foundation. Although I haven't used their wallet in person, I think it has the most intuitive UI of all the mobile wallets currently available. The next upgrade from Ethereum is anticipated to be released in March of this year, and its seamless distribution is reliant on the update timetable. The @swaps feature will be enhanced in version 4. Smart contract hooks in a modular design provide unprecedented personalization and liquidity pools, which in turn allow for greater efficiency and adaptability, dynamic pricing on chain limit orders that specialize on chain oracles, and more. Version 4 will also incorporate flash accounting, which is expected to significantly reduce fees charged by liquidity providers. The standard for decentralized exchanges is being raised by Uniswap. As mentioned in the article headlined "Soaring Profits," this Bitcoin corporation outperformed analysts' projections. The fourth quarter was Coinbase's most profitable since the fourth quarter of 2021, thanks to a meteoric rise in profits. Including their Bitcoin ETFs, they were rated top custodian for spot across the board. Being the crowd favorite meant they needed a reliable safekeeper to keep a lot of value. The chief executive officer stresses Coinbase's role as an ally in the crypto adoption by major institutions. The subscription and service industries contributed significantly to the $375 million in income. If you're a subscriber to Coinbase One, I would really appreciate it if you could get in touch with me so that I can take benefit of the free transactions and additional insurance. The monthly amount is reasonable, in my view. 5 of the 8 Ethereum ETF applications have chosen us as custodians, but we have no idea whether they have approved or rejected our ET theory just yet. However, many people are working hard to make that happen. And Coinbase is the one they've chosen. If you believe JP Morgan Chase, the composition, titled Not So Fast, at issue here is the fact that exchange-traded fund, ETF, products provide low-cost entry points into the cryptocurrency market, but analysts from JP Morgan have blasted Coinbase for allegedly not knowing what it's doing when it comes to ETFs. Will the loss fees be covered, then? Even if clients purchase Bitcoin on the Coinbase market, a lot of fees will still be wasted because they used BlackRock or Fidelity's Bitcoin ETF. These expenses will probably disappear altogether in the future. In fact, they are already disappearing with securities. For instance, you won't pay any fees if you trade on Fidelity or Charles Schwab. The market for cryptocurrencies will likewise reflect that. There will be no fees as a result. It is inevitable, though. You'll be interested in the institutional business. Job security is assured for the foreseeable future, even though the remuneration is lower than that of an institutional caretaker. Although I applaud Coinbase leadership, the company's future remains cloudy. For instance, they may declare bankruptcy one day and then reorganize their finances the next. How Coinbase deals with this will depend on what occurs this weekend. The future of cryptocurrencies is a complete mystery. Will we slightly pull back or keep pushing forward? When will it be finished? Share your thoughts and opinions with me by posting a comment below. Keep liking and subscribing as you always have. De parte. Muchas gracias.